Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can update Python version in PyCharm. Let's begin. First, open up PyCharm. This will be very simple and straightforward. So here, you will see the version or the current version you currently have installed. You can click over here if you want to update. Click on this gear icon, go to Settings, click on Python, all right? Click on Python, Interpreter, you can easily check here if you already have the existing updated version. But if not, click on Add, click on Local, and you will see in here Generate New. So this type virtual env, and here base Python, just select the most updated version. Let's just say in a second, 3.14. All right, I'm going to choose this one just for this video, and then make sure to rename this. All right. And then you can also choose these options. Click on OK, and it will now be added over here. Once done, you can easily select from the drop down. I can now select 3.14. I can also choose and select the previous version. So for this, 3.14. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.